Here are some benefits of apples. Boosts heart health. Apples are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Aids in weight loss. Apples are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great snack for weight management. 3. Supports digestive health. Apples contain prebiotic fiber that feeds good bacteria in the gut, promoting a healthy digestive system. 4. May reduce cancer risk. Apples contain various antioxidants and phytonutrients that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. 5. Supports brain health. Apples contain a powerful antioxidant called quercetin that may help protect against age-related cognitive decline. 6. Can help manage diabetes. Apples are low on the glycemic index and high in fiber, making them a good choice for people with diabetes. 7. Supports healthy bones. Apples contain boron, a mineral that is essential for maintaining bone health. 8. Promotes healthy gut bacteria. Apples contain prebiotic fiber that helps feed good bacteria in the gut. 9. May improve lung function. Apples contain a powerful antioxidant called quercetin that may help protect against lung damage. 10. Supports healthy skin. Apples contain antioxidants and vitamins that may help protect against skin damage and promote healthy skin. Remember to eat apples with their skin on, as most of the fiber and antioxidants are found in the skin.